Woo! What's up, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Hero here, and Alvin from First Timers.
Your tech series.
Tech series.
Hey, superstars. Can't forget superstars, guys.
Superstars of the show.
Superstars. Anyway,
yeah.
We're getting past the superstar point, guys. I know you guys are like, oh, superstars. No, I joke. But no, today we are actually, excited that Hero, both of us, actually have a Canon camera. DSLR. So we're actually pretty excited. They're nothing fancy, guys. No. But the thing that I am super excited about is being able to actually use this as a webcam. Now, I know you guys are probably like, wait, you can use a Canon camera as a webcam? Absolutely. I'll put a link in the video in the description down below to actually, just go and watch, guys, because I didn't film it. But it is amazing on what you can do with it as a webcam. So definitely go check that out. Super awesome. But when I tried it, guys, my battery died. I was like, what is going on? And I was like, how is this supposed to charge? And I was like, doesn't it charge off the USB? Absolutely not. So again, for this generation of a camera, you're like, how do I do this? And I didn't know that they made a kit, a battery with a cable, so you can actually plug it in, have this thing charging, or have this thing charging with the cable sticking out the side, and you can still use it. You still use it as a webcam or recording even. So very excited. Let's jump into the unboxing so you guys can kind of take a look at it and see where it's going to go on the camera. But I'm very excited about this, guys. Woo! Very excited. Woo! We have the T6 camera, and this is specific for that. It can do a couple other cameras, but I won't jump too much into that. Again, this is a T6, just so you guys know. But let's open this guy up here.
Rebel T6, if
Rebel
that's the difference.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Cool. Look at this, guys. Boom. This is the battery adapter here. This goes in the bottom, and this is the actual cable. So I know you guys are probably like, show us it inside. We will, promise. These are the instructions kind of showing you how to do it. We don't care about those. So we're gonna toss those off to the side. But again, the box comes with 3 different items here. And we're gonna open up the bottom here. So if I can, boom, open. There's the battery. And again, this is the replacement battery while you're actually streaming or doing whatever you're doing that you need a long-term, long-term power source. Yeah, so yes, I'm sounding like I am eating marbles, guys.
Always eating marbles.
Yeah. All right, so this guy, you're gonna see has a little hole there, plugs right in. Boom, look at that, guys. That actually looks pretty sweet. Super excited. And then right here, goes right in. Locks in.
A dummy battery.
Yep, dummy battery in there. So there's a little hole that they actually purposely made. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but right off to the side there, the cable can stick through, and it doesn't even you don't need to modify this door. And that is awesome, guys. So this is going to be able to give me the ability to actually stream for a full stream and actually be plugged in at the same time, because this was annoying, guys. This is awesome. I am super stoked. Hero's super stoked. He's like, I'm gonna pick up one of these. Another reason that we also picked this up is because we want to actually try to stream while we're working on cars. And again, these aren't gonna cut it, having to swap them out and all that junk. So if we can have it plugged in, carry it with us, move it around, I'm gonna be super excited, guys. This is awesome. This is dope. This is dope, guys. And it looks like it's meant to be there. That's what I like about it.
Another good thing that I think I like about it is that you won't have to worry about the battery heating up.
Yeah.
This is that's a dummy battery,
and it's battery.
Just plugged in.
Yep, no heat.
This thing will heat up probably, but then this will be out of the sun. Yeah. Or wherever it is.
Yeah, wherever it is.
It definitely won't be a concern. It's not in the camera.
Yeah, so we're very excited, guys. Again, the company is going to be in the description below. Great packaging. Came simple, quick. We have the Rebel T6, and it probably will fit other generations of the Rebel, but just make sure it's gonna work for your camera, guys. So just make sure. Anyway, guys.
All right.
We'll see you guys next time.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed.
Yep. Tech series. Smash that like.
All right. Woo.